up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's not going to be a trail day, but I'm headed out to Rancho Cucamonga because Pit+Paddock and CSF are having a Cars and Coffee, and it's like their Overland edition, and I'm going to be at the booth for Pacific German. I think there's going to be a lot of cool rigs out there, and I'm bringing the Cayenne out, and then Tyler from Pacific German is going to have his newly built 957, which is going to be sick. I haven't seen it in person yet. So pretty much what I'm going to do is just take you guys along with me. So let's go.
We got a flex ramp. So all you guys with the suspension, you think you're a big dog, we got a competition starting in about 20 minutes.
You can't drink all day if you don't start in the morning. Just remember that, alright? It's 5 o'clock somewhere.
That's it. Stop.
Here we go. Check it out. Check it out. Okay, here we go.
39 inches, baby, let's go!
Hold the table straight. All right, let's cheer Sergio on. Come on, everybody.
Oh yeah, easy.
He's got a little more. He's got a little bit more. He's got a little bit more. Let him go. Let him go. He's got more.
Watch it, watch it.
More. Line it up. You gotta go. Let's make this happen. Let's get over Steve. RPM Garage. They built the TRD. Let's go, Steve.
Right there.
Alright, we got another 4Runner coming up the ramp. Black 4Runner, I didn't get his name, but let's see what he's got.
Crowd control, crowd control.
Hey, you got more! You gotta go back.
Keep that rear tire on the ground.
Right there,
Let's cheer on Steven. Let's go.
Great, like that. Yeah, easy like that.
All right, Steven and the Gladiator. Everybody, let's give it up. Guy overcame his fear heights. He's on the ramp. Let's go, Steven. All right, and the Gladiator.
Hold on. The ramp doesn't have enough. Hey, come here.
What? Put your fucking foot down, dude. Hey, Brian, we need some help.
Not safe, not safe.
He's not done. This looks like a foot. Game over. Alright. Yeah, dude! Let's go, let's get some. Alright, we got our first CUV. We got a Subaru going up. I'm guessing maybe 5-10 inches up the ramp. Let's see what he can do.
Can't even, bro. He signed the waiver! He signed the waiver! You're like, I guess like 10 inches before you wheel down.
His bumper with his wheels on the ground.
Hey, let him know what's about to happen. Hey, he doesn't care. Do whatever you want. You don't care. You don't care. Keep coming! That's it! Oh, shit. Trying to get Let's go! 62 and a half! 62 and a half! You wagon talk! Yes! Keep going! Straight, hold it straight. Go on! It hurts me! Keep going! Stop! Yo, Daddy, your bumper smashed. Alright. Hold that?
Yeah. When you get it, mind you're like...
No respect though, dude. You're using your truck, dude.
Never had a choice.
Oh shit.
That's what it's for.
51!
I noticed my boy required to get it. You know, I gave him the important. He's like, I want to go give it to me, so I gave it to him. He went, and then he took it out of the Toyota. So he and Daddy went together. They're already there. By the way, yeah. Hold it straight. Hold it straight.
So that's pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed seeing all the cool rigs that were there. Pit+Paddock and CSF radiators put on a dope event. It was really fun. Shout out to Tyler and Pacific German for having me at their booth. Let me know down below if you guys want to see more of this type of content. I do frequently go to Cars and Coffees or different like meets when I can. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.